Did you know that one Japanese warlord almost conquered all of Japan using a weapon his enemies had never seen before? In 1570, Oda Nobunaga did something no samurai had ever done. While other warriors still fought with swords and bows, he built the first gun factories in Japan. His soldiers carried hundreds of matchlock rifles into battle. Nobunaga was ruthless. He burned entire temples to the ground. He starved cities until they surrendered. His enemies called him the Demon Lord because he showed no mercy to anyone who opposed him. By 1580, Nobunaga controlled most of Japan. He was just years away from unifying the entire country under his rule. Victory seemed certain, but then disaster struck. In 1582, one of his own generals betrayed him. The traitor surrounded Nobunaga's temple while he slept and set it on fire. The great warlord died in the flames. With Nobunaga gone, his rival Tokugawa Ieyasu seized control. Tokugawa became the ruler that Nobunaga should have been. Sometimes in history, the person who does all the hard work doesn't get to enjoy the prize.